Alfasan Uganda Limited is a private limited liability company, a joint venture whose primary purpose was to set up the first veterinary factory in Uganda at Namamve Industrial Park. The company has since then been working as an exclusive organization producing veterinary medicine. In 2021, Alfasa signed an agreement with Makerere University Lukovac to resolve the issue of ticks and tick-borne diseases in Uganda and across the sub-Saharan region of Africa. Recently, the company has upgraded from making drugs to manufacturing of vaccines that meet the GMP pharma standards. Due to the upgrade, Hon.Monica Musenero was motivated to visit the company and inspect the work that they had done and its competence levels. During her visit at the company, pharmacist Ivan Cafe took the honor of guiding the minister around the factory and showing her the different areas where both the drugs and vaccines are manufactured.
Space off from this room. All of these doors were removed as they were applying the epoxy because it was going to disturb, but they are going to put back the shutters they are there. So after dispensing here, we then load into, you can attach to the blender. The machine operator is down, we have demonstrated. So this blender is basically to do the mixing of the powders. These drugs, the powder drugs, don't have so many steps apart from blending. So this one mixes until the given time that is written in that. Each need direct in two packaging machines. So after here, we just bring this and assemble the pipe that transfer the powders into the packaging machine. We have two packaging types down.